Hi everyone, today we're going to cold start an old tube radio. This is our Philco model 49504. It works pretty good. I'll go ahead and turn the power on. This is the power and volume knob. Over here is the tuning. This knob, you can see up there we got our different stations displayed. So this is the 1949 Philco radio. I'll go ahead and go through some stations. Picks up the AM band.
That much further. That's why we've partnered with local businesses to bring.
Yeah, it's a nice radio. We like it. We'll play it. It's got a neat tube radio sound. It's just a real full sound.
Travel destinations, entertainment, spa packages, and more.
This is all you're talking about.
Let's see.
John at 11:28.
See what's over here.
Why my hair is falling out.
Here. Here's a nice Mexican music station. It makes me want to go out and buy a burrito and taco and have some Mexican food. It's great. Alright everyone, on that note, we'll see you soon.
Voy sufriendo y no encuentro el remedio para curar.